Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anthony Tejada, your local Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. And I want to ask you a question. Do you want to stay in a beautiful home in the heart of St. Cloud? Well, stay tuned. I got something great to show you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anthony Tejada, your local Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit and punch the subscribe button down below so you can stay tuned to all the new videos that I'm going to be dropping every week. This is the CAPISTRANO2. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. In this home, you have plenty of construction options, such as a grand master, where you can add either a shower or a tub or both. And also, you can add an upstairs 5th bedroom or den. Stay tuned, enjoy the music, and I'm going to get right back with you. Hey guys, so if you love this home, if you love the area that's in, and these construction options are something that will enhance your family's life and entertainment value, please give me a call, 321-442-0102. And as always, my name is Anthony Tejada, and I'm always shattering your expectations.